Welcome to Learning Tuitions. Maths has fun. Today we are going to learn about some other topic, that is the circle. Circle. First of the things, what is circle? What are the properties in the circle? What are the things? What are the terms related to circle? So first, circle. When a fixed point or a fixed point, this is suppose that this is a fixed point. Let the point is O. Around it, in its another points are there, and the joint that points. These are the points. In 3 points joined together and equidistant means all are the equal distance from the fixed point. Then it is called the circle. So this is circle when in 3 points joined together and equidistant from the fixed point is formed shape is called a circle. In the circle, which is the fixed point, that is called the center. That is called the center of the circle. This is the fixed point. It is called the circle, center. And center denoted by the O. O, A, B, C, anyone you can denote it. Whatever the points you join together, after it become a one curved line, and that curved line close figure, this is called the circumference. Now other things are also there in the circle. What are the terms that are the terms in the circle? Suppose that this I joined at one point, anywhere I join from the center to the circumference, I join it like this. Join this, let it be A, point A. I join. So then this part is called the radius. Very part called the radius. So there are the infinite radius are there in the circle. This also can be the same radius. This also can be 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 radius. All are the radius. Suppose that these are the radius written. These are the radius. All are the radius. Means the point on the circumference joined with the center is called the radius. And all radius are the equal. So here OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE is equal to OF. These all are the radius. Means all radius of a circle is the same. Suppose that this is the 2 centimeter, then this also 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Means radius of the circle, same circle is the equal. Always the length. Another thing, in this circle, when this is the center, O is the center, I join this one, it is the A, and this one is radius, this is radius. It is denoted by the small r or capital R. And it is another extended design. Means this total part B. This makes the circle in half and half. This joined together and it is known as the diameter. What is called as diameter? Means diameter is always double of the radius. Diameter is always double of the radius. Diameter denoted by the small d. So small d is equal to r plus r. R means radius, then d is equal to 2r. R and r, 2r. So what is the formula we got? Diameter of a circle is always double of the radius. Now, another thing is we join the other things in the circle. This is the chord also. Now first word coming chord. Chord means what? Chord, when the circumference, the 2 points of a circumference joined by a line is called a chord. Means here is the 1 point, here is the 1 point. These 2 points I join by a straight line, then it is called a chord. And chord is always inside the circle. Here also 2 points can be there, here and here I join it like this. So this cannot be chord. This cannot be chord on that. So chord is always inside the circle. Now which is the biggest chord in the circle? The diameter is the biggest chord in the circle. Because of diameter, divide the circle into two parts, and that are the semicircles or hemicircles that are equal. Next, this chord. Some properties are there for the chord. Number one, in that chords, that I drawn the two chord, that is the center of a circle. In that, the chords are equal. Suppose that this chord is A and B, this is C and D. The two chord is equal. AB is equal to CD. The chords are equal. Then they are equidistant from the center. This is center O, means this distance. This distance. Suppose that this is M, and from here it is called N. This one. So means ON is equal to OM. Equidistant. Why? Because if the chords are equal in the length, then they are equidistant from the center. Equidistant means what? That are have the same length. Means OM and ON will be the same. Other things, if the two chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. Next, another terms are coming in the circle. This is a circle. In that circle, this is a center. If the any 2 point, this and this point. Suppose that this point is A and this point is B, and I cut it like this, outward, like this, by a straight line. Then it is called the secant. Note, it is not called chord. It is not called the chord. It is called the secant. Second, it is called. Second, chord means this will be the chord. Inside, not going through and through. It is going through and through. It is making the part separate only. So this is called the secant. This is called the chord. This is the difference between the chord and secant. Next, when this any point in the circle touches on a one contact part of a circle, then it is called the tangent. This circle, in the circle, only one part here. It is part and touching one line, it touches here only one point. Only one contact point. That is called point of contact. Point of contact. Then this line, this straight line, suppose that it is called the A and B, then AB is the tangent. AB is tangent. Because of it touches only one part, only one contact, point of contact. So let it be the C point. So this is the part tangent. So on a circle there are the infinite tangents will be drawn. But from the external point, only two tangents can be drawn. From here we want to draw the tangent, from here can be drawn and here can be drawn. But not others. So from the external point we can draw only the two tangents to a circle, tangent. Next, things are coming in that secant, chord, radius, diameter, and now the properties of the others in the angles are. This is a circle. In that circle, this is the center O. Suppose that I made it like this. This I made it like here. This part here written A, here written B, and throw C. Suppose that point throw C. Like that it goes like this. Then this part is called the arc. What was it? A, C, B is arc. Is a arc, and it denoted by the like this. Half circle type or the moon type. It is called the arc. So there are the two arcs are there. Two arcs are there in the one is this is called the minor arc. This is called the major arc. Minor arc. This is minor arc. This is major arc. All that. Like that is in that only this is total done. This total done. This is like that done. Then this part is called the segment. This is called the minor segment, and this is called the major segment. Now some angles extended over the circle. Secant, this is become the secant in that. This will become the chord. This is the arc. Now if the circle cut into two parts cutting, we take it out. This is a circle. In that, this is the center. I join this one radius and this one radius. Suppose that this name is A, this name is B, this is the O. Now this part, only this part is called the sector. Sector. Now this is called the minor sector. Minor sector. This is part is called the major sector. Major sector. Sector. Because of only this part taken out like a cake type in that. Next, another one. If we are this on the angles on the circle. Angles on the circle. So on a circle, there is a complete angle 360 degree angles. On the circle, the angles total angle is 360 degree. Here, it is a complete angle 360 degree. Now, in that, if we are taking the angle, this is the suppose that we make the chord. This is the chord A and B. There are the two parts become. This is called the minor segment. This is called the major segment. Angle of this total angle is 360 degree. Total angle 360 degree. In that, on that if suppose that from the radius I draw any angle on the minor segment. So minor segment angle is always obtuse angle. Minor segment what? Minor segment angle is always obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. On the major sector, the angle is always acute angle. Major is always acute. Major acute angle. Acute angle. Now other angle in the sector angles. Total angle to the sector. Then this part on this angle. So this is total angle is not 360 degree. So 360 degree minus this angle. So let this angle is theta. Total angle is theta. Then this angle what will become? Angle 1. 360 minus theta this angle. 360 because the total angle is 360 and this angle is theta. So you have become this total angle 360 minus theta. So how to find the area of the sector? Area of the sector is what will become? Theta by 360 minus into area means pi r square. Because of the area of a circle is pi r square. Area of circle is always pi r square. And pi value, if it is not given, then you are taking the 22 by 7. If it is given, then you can take the 3.14. So this is the area of the sector. Which sector? Minor sector. Which sector? Minor sector it is. Now major sector, you can write it like this. This angle given means you can write 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the major sector. Area of the major sector. Next one, to find the length of the arc or the segment. This part, how to find the area of this part? So this is again the jointed here and joined here. Suppose that this is center O, this is A, this is B. Now this part is called the triangle. This part is become the triangle. Which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Which one? Isosceles triangle become. So in that, this is if it is equal and the radius equal, then it will become the equilateral triangle. This segment. To find that one, theta, this angle theta by 360 and this is the circumference. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Sometimes it is called perimeter also. Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Don't be confused in that. So this part theta by 360 into 2 pi r because of this is total circumference. This is for minor purpose, and this is major arc. On the major arc, it will become the 360 minus theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the length of the arc of the measure set. Thank you.